What's up, good people? Welcome to Growing with Troy. My name is Troy, and today I'm just going to be talking about books that I use to help me get into trading. So, initially, I was just, starting off with stock trading and didn't really do too much with that. Did a little bit of option play, and then it's mostly just long term. But as far as day trading goes, I do like the futures market. I know you can use different markets like Forex currencies or even crypto. But for me personally, I do enjoy trading futures. So a lot of these books that I'm going to introduce to you today is mostly for stock trading. However, the concepts I did use or I am using for futures trading. So the first book that I want to introduce is How to Day Trade for a Living. And this one is by Andrew. I'll try to include the links for each book into the description. However, this book I think was probably the most helpful for me, especially when it came to strategies. You guys can kind of see all the notes that I've been taking for this book. He really does a really good job with explaining different strategies, how it should look. He doesn't really, how would I put this? He doesn't really talk about like too much of exit strategies as much as I would like. However, he does a good job with introducing some of these strategies. And like I said, this book is mostly for stock trading. He actually doesn't recommend futures trading for day trading. However, like I said, there's strategies that I use just for futures, and it works okay for me. Next book that I've been getting into or that I've read is Charting and Technical Analysis by Fred. This book was pretty good as far as like introducing different candlesticks, how to read them, also introduce different patterns that you may be able to recognize. Would I recommend this book? I think it's a good starter point if you just want to recognize, patterns and whatnot. However, a lot of the information that you get out of this book you can find online. However, I will say you don't know what you don't know, which is why reading is great. So, the book that I want to introduce to you guys is Market Wizards. This one is by Jack. This book is mostly for testimonials. I do enjoy this book. It's just a slow read for me personally. I've had this book for a few months and I'm only, I want to say a little bit less than 25% done with this book. So I really do enjoy reading different people's testimonials. It mostly talks about futures trading. This is probably the only futures book that I have. I've been trying to find different futures books, but this one is probably the only one that I do have that focuses only on futures trading. And I think it is beneficial for you just so you can learn different people's mistakes and how they made those mistakes, why they made those mistakes, and how they're able to make a huge turnaround for that. So I think this book is great for psychological aspects of futures trading, but other than that, you're not going to really get much patterns, at least not yet. Like I said, I'm only like 25%-ish done with the book, so there may be more explanation on different patterns, but as of right now, it's just been testimonial for me. So this book has been great for me. The next two books that I'm going to show you are just recent purchases that I got for myself: Order Flow, Trading Setup, as well as Volume Profile. These two books, I didn't know that these two books were mostly for Forex trading. And that plays a big part in like reading certain things, and more specifically Volume Profile. The concepts are kind of the same. However, they're different. They are different. So if I would have known that this was mostly for Forex trading for both of these, I don't know if I still would have bought the book, because it is interesting. He does a really good job with explaining how to read Volume Profile. I'm still reading this book right now. I have yet to read Order Flow. But he does a really good job with explaining how volume profile works, different strategies or approaches to use volume profile, and how to get out. But all of his examples are in forex trading or currency trading. So take what you want from that. I did find a little value into this volume profile, and I think it was only like $7 on Amazon. So you could use it. Like I said, you don't know what you don't know. He might introduce you to forex trading or into something else, or a different approach that you can apply to either stocks or futures trading. But I do enjoy reading this book. His name is Trader Dale, and he wrote both of these books. So honestly, those are the only books that I've read. I do enjoy reading books about trading. So will I stop buying books for trading? No, I do enjoy it. It just kind of helps motivate me to trade even more. So if you guys have any comments or questions, just comment down below. If you have any recommendations for books, comment down below, because I do enjoy reading. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Hope to post some more content. See ya.